Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing an easy soft glam makeup look for you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, a big glammy welcome to you. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button right down below there to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the action. So before I start going on and on and on, let's just jump straight into it. I've already done my eyebrows and I have primed my eyelids. I'm going to start with my face first because I'm kind of in a hurry. I'm going to be using my Smashbox Camera Ready BB Water. This is probably one of my favorite foundations of the summer, if not my favorite foundation of the summer, because it is so lightweight, but at the same time I absolutely love the coverage that it gives. Just going to wet my foundation brush with a little Fix Plus, and I find that this helps it blend a little bit easier as well. This foundation is so lightweight, but it is totally buildable as well. But the thing that I like about it is that it gives me like a really nice natural finish. And then if I want a little bit more coverage, I just use my concealer when I highlight, and that will also give me coverage in the areas that I want a little bit more coverage, like my under eyes and stuff, just, you know, for bags. And they ain't Chanel, girl. Next I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. This one is in the color Toffee. I'm going to do the same with my flat foundation brush. Just spray a little Fix Plus on there. I'm going to be setting my under eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent loose powder. I have been through this. I've done the most. It is broken. It is a mess. I need to go get a new one. I don't know if you guys know, but in Santon there's a store. I'll actually link their Instagram handle down below, or I'll mention the store like right underneath. But they stock Laura Mercier, if you guys didn't know. So they have like all their loose powders and foundations and all that good stuff. This is the Matte and Poreless powder, and this one is in the color 370. I really love these powders because they're very creamy and very easy to blend, so they're really good to use as a contour shade as well. Then to highlight my face, I have literally done so much damage to this palette, but I'm going to be using my Switch Beauty Glowgasm palette, and I'm just going to be using this peach shade right here. I'm going to go back in with my Matte and Poreless powder, this Espresso, and I'm going to use this as the transition shade on my eyes. And then for my lid color, I'm going to be going in with this Beauty. This is the Terracotta Blush from Golden Rose, and I absolutely am obsessed with this color. It's like this pink shade, but it's got like golden specks in it. It is gorgeous. Also from Golden Rose Cosmetics, I'm going to be using their Precision Eyeliner in Intense Black. And to tightline my eyes, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in the color Fishnet. So I'm just using my Super Volume Mascara from Clarins. So I just went off of camera to add some false eyelashes, and then I also did my lips. I started off by lining my lips with the Clarins Crayon Kohl. It's actually an eyeliner, but I really like the color, this brown, like it's a deep cool toned brown color. So this is what I use to line my lips. And then for lipstick, I used my Estee Lauder Pure Color Love lipstick, and this one is in the color 114 Naked City. And then to top it all off, I used my Clinique Chubby Stick. This is the Clinique Chubby Plump and Shine Liquid Lip Pumping Gloss, and this one is in the color Enormous Nude. As always, I will have all the products listed right down below. Well, that is it, everyone. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what else you guys would like to see. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah. Bye.